Today I'm going to show you how to use relations in Notion. So we are creating relations here. We're in this Gantt chart over here. And what you want to do is we've got a new database. So we're just going to say database 1. And we're going to come over here and you'll see that we have the opportunity to create a new property here. So once you click on this, you will be able to actually just scroll down. It'll be just underneath here in more of the advanced section, and you are going to click on relation. Now, all you need to do is select what you would like to relate this cell to, or this piece of data. So you can see that there are a bunch of items on this list. You'll see that it'll match these items. You can also say show 18 more. It'll show everything that is on here. Okay. So let's say that we want to link it to our 2026 goals, and we can have it as a two-way relation. So this allows you to manage properties on either one of these files or documents, and it'll show in your current. Okay, we also can change the limit, but for now we're going to go add relation, and this is now the quick and easy way to add relations in Notion.